the tender had been invited for 1 year. And if any condition of the tender is violated, the petitioner, the
Condition has been violated.
Lordship,
Statement is not sufficient, sir. Where is the communication of the respondent that X goods you are liable to supply for this rate? Where is that?
the specific one was not
Then
made.
you are not entitled.
Purchasing committee, your Lordship, itself approves the same
Sorry, sir, we will not.
in pursuance to tender, and that is mentioned in.
Sir, in the tender, you point out that you are required to supply these items.
Lordship, let me, Lordship. In execution, your Lordship, for commanding the respondent authority, respondent first say to do the payment of admitted due for a sum of rupees 27,557 only. In pursuance to annexure 1 of the petition, the tender was invited, and if your Lordship peruse the very condition of
No, you are asking for implementation of conditions.
Lordship.
In the writ, how writ is maintainable?
Lordship, virtually the tender was invited and subsequently the goods were supplied, and during the tenure of the tender itself, the rate was changed by the respondent for state Lordship. And if your Lordship use the conditions of same tender, your Lordship would find that the tender had been invited for 1 year. And if any condition of the tender is violated, the petitioner, the
Condition has been violated.
Lordship, violated, your Lordship. Certain goods had been awarded at certain rate, but the authority said that you are to supply at the lowest rate.
Where is such a communication to you?
Lordship,
Where is challenge to that such communication?
Lordship. I have stated, your Lordship, and that has
Your
been.
statement is not sufficient, sir. Where is the communication of the respondent that X goods you are liable to supply for this rate? Where is that?
The specific one was not
Then
made,
you are not entitled.
but in the counter affidavit itself, it has been admitted that in para, Lordship, 11, counter affidavit.
What is that?
Lordship, that it is humbly submitted that as per above negotiation, the payment for the month of September and October 2018 was made to the petitioner. The details of bill and the amount passed for payment as per details given below. Bill amount, passed amount, and difference amount, a sum of rupees 27,642. I quoted as per the tender for the purpose of payment, but the bill was passed at lesser rate. That is the admitted fact.
Where do you get that tender rate is so and so?
Lordship. Annexure 2 of the petition. Lordship, I have given tender for the item number 2, 3, 16B,
Page number?
page number, Lordship, 19. Page number 19, item number 2, pumpkin for rupees 20 per kg.
Item number?
2, pumpkin for rupees 20 per kg. Item number 3, Lordship, I have January to April 19, page number for
Sir, this is tender rate.
Lordship.
No, but it is something like some statement. Where is in the tender?
Tender is annexure 1, Lordship.
Correct. In that, where is the amount prescribed?
In that, the amount has not been prescribed.
Then where is the agreement?
Lordship. Page 15, Lordship.
1/5.
Lordship. 1/5. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Rewar, Nevada. Terms and conditions at the below.
Sir, particular item you are required to supply for so and so rate. Where is that? Where do you get that?
That is annexure 2, your lordship.
Annexure 2 is not, it is a list of comparative statement, that's all.
Lordship, in the bottom part, the signature of the authority purchasing committee has been signed, lordship. In the bottom part, purchasing committee.
Sir, in the agreement, you are required to supply what? Where is that?
Lordship, that is mentioned, your lordship.
Where, sir, in the agreement? In the agreement, you are required to supply the green vegetable, chicken, eggs, fish. Where is that clause?
The purchasing committee, your lordship, itself approves the same
Sorry, sir, we will not.
in pursuance to tender, and that is mentioned in.
Sir, in the tender, you point out that you are required to supply these items.
Lordship, kindly come to lordship, annexure 1, page 13. Annexure 1, lordship, page 13. Column 4.
The title of this?
Bank.
13.
Notice inviting tender.
Page 14, your lordship.
Rate.
मद एवं अग्रधन की राशि की विवरणी निम्न तथ्य.
They have quoted the accumulated amount against items if it is of food. Green vegetables, fruits, 5,000.
What is that? Per month or what is that?
No, they have not quoted any rate. Earnest money.
Huh?
Earnest money.
Earnest money.
Yes,
But they have not determined the.
No.
Where is the agreement? That he is required to supply for this amount. And that has been ignored by the officials.
Where is the agreement that you were required to supply these articles for such and such rate? What you are quoting here, these pages, these are the comparative rates, where it was agreed upon by you and the NVS.
In that comparative rate list itself, annexure 2, lordship, the signature of the purchasing committee, and in the above, a specific date and name is mentioned thereof, and who is.
There must be an agreement between you and the agency.
Sir, this is a purchase committee for the July to September 2018, October to December, and January to April.
Lordship.
Correct. Before this, where is the fixation of rates?
The rate is fixed by the purchasing committee, your lordship. I am not responsible for that.
Then, all right, from the agreement you point out where is that rates will be fixed by the purchasing committee. Where is that clause?
Lordship.
Yes, no assistance from the respondents.
Lordship.
Where is the clause? Who will fix the price?
Lordship, rate is fixed by the purchase committee, lordship, but what has happened?
Correct, under the agreement, which is the clause?
All the lordships. Clause 26 is with regard to rate at page 17. While quoting rate of the item, the tenderer will have to quote.
Clause?
Clause 26, your lordships, of the at page 17, the tenderer has to quote the rates manners.
Yes. Then where is that?
That has not been annexed, your lordship. That quoting of rate has not been annexed.
Then without that, how to examine whether the rate what they have fixed is on par with the determined amount? In your counter also you are not filed. Your counter.
We have filed, your lordship.
Correct. In that you are not produced the material.
Lordship, we have not produced the rate, but what we have produced, your lordship, the minutes of meeting, whereby, your lordship, the budget of the school shot up by 40,000 rupees in 3 months. Therefore, the tenderer was called for negotiation, and the tenderer accepted that he will supply on the market rate plus 10%. He himself, he has signed. My lord, may
Where is that admission? Where is the admission?
My lords, page 13. Page 12 it starts, my lords. Page 12 of
12
the
of
counter
what?
affidavit annexure B. Page 12 of the counter affidavit annexure B. This is the meeting conducted at the school level, your lordship. May kindly have paragraph, second paragraph of the minutes of meeting, which was attended by the tenderer himself, your lordship.
Has he signed the document?
My lords, my lords. On the next page, my lords, at page 13, serial number 5, Shri Vinay Prasad Singh, Apurti Karta. Effective, but only stipulation is that these rates are effective from 5/9/18, because by that time he had already supplied. So we are agreeable to that and we have paid on that terms itself. Now he is saying that under coercion I had signed minutes. So this cannot be.
What is the date of this annexure B?
17/9/18.
So, for the first time, no, it is 17/9/2020.
No, lordship, effective from.
No, sir, it is a document 17/9/2020.
Acha, 2018, my lords, it is 2018.
9/2018. 28. What is it? Other signatures are.
In the top also of the minutes of meeting, 17/9/18, it is written on the right hand side.
When he, for the first time, when he raised objection that due to force I have signed.
My lord, this he has raised in the 2nd of October 2018 before the district magistrate, my lords. We came to know about this objection from the letter of the district magistrate at page 18, my lords. That he is saying that he had signed it under coercion.
Can't go.
After supply prices and supply.
Lordship, my learned friend has referred annexure to page 12, wherein the signature has been put by this petitioner with effect from 1/9/2018,
Huh?
1st September to 2018.
5/9/2018.
Lordship, this petitioner became ready to follow the terms and conditions of this meeting with effect from September 2018. But the goods had been supplied before the same date. And so I am asking the same for the payment of the same.
Now, from what date they have given effect?
Lordship,
Revised price.
July, August, September. No, my lords, may kindly have paragraph 11 of the counter affidavit, the tabular form. It says, Your Lordship, as per the above negotiation, payment for the month of September to October and bill wise, Your Lordship, what the difference we have not given comes to total 27,000. Paragraph 11 of the counter affidavit. So this is from the bill is dated October, September and September. So it's not before that, my lords.
No, for the month of July.
My lord, payments have been made at the agreed rate of the tender. Now, after the negotiation, payments have been cut, and this is 27,000 rupees that has been detailed in paragraph 11, my lords. My lord, may kindly have bill number. This is 11/10/18. Bill amount was 27,000, so it was passed so and so. Difference is it. So it total comes to 27,000. So only after that, Your Lordship, we have cut, Your Lordship. And we have said in paragraph 13 that petitioner was paid from the month of July to August according to tender rates, and for the months of September, October according to negotiated rates. Paragraph 13, my lords.
Not claiming July. Now this, for the month of July, they have given the rate as per the earlier.
According to
Few points.
My lords, in para 13 we have stated specifically, and that has not been denied in the rejoinder, my lords. Rejoinder has also been filed. It just says that it is misleading, but they have not said that from what God.
you have claimed rupees 27,557 as per your in
Lords,
para 2 of para 1.
lords,
But they say that this amount is only for the month of September and October and not for July and August.
Lordship.
Any lordships in rejoinder, my lord may kindly have to this paragraph 13.
Sir, if there is any dispute, writ is not maintainable, you can go and initiate arbitration proceeding or file a suit.
Actually, there is no mentioning
You
about
can't- The writ court cannot adjudicate disputed facts,
as per the terms and conditions of the agreement, Annexure 1, Lordship.
but you have admitted, no?
Lordship, if your Lordship peruse the condition of
Take on.
20,
In the instant petitioner has prayed for the following relief. Matter is relating to supply of vegetables, green vegetables, chicken, eggs, fish, etc. to respondent Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Vivar
Nevada.
Nevada. List of the petitioner was supplying the aforementioned materials. Due to certain administrative issues, the committee was constituted to revise the rate in which petitioner had participated, and he has agreed for supplying of the aforementioned goods at the revised rate, and it would be effective from 1/9/2018. When things stood thus, he has taken a stand that he was compelled to sign the proceedings to stop. When he has agreed for certain rates, and thereafter if he has turned out, in that event, he should have questioned the validity of such a document. There is no challenge to such document. Further, it is evident from para 11 and 13 of the counter affidavit, grievance of the petitioner has been redressed to certain extent. To stop, if the petitioner still feels that his entire grievance has not been redressed, then one has to draw inference that it is a disputed issue which cannot be adjudicated in the writ proceedings. Accordingly, the present petition stands disposed of, reserving liberty to the petitioner to invoke appropriate remedy if he is still aggrieved in respect of disputed amount.
obliged. Even my Lordship, the earnest money has not been.
Do what?
Same may be, your Lordship.
Serial number 17 is adjourned for 1 week. Serial number 18, the Commando Security Services versus the State of Bihar for the petitioner Sri Ranjan Kumar Sharma.
It became infructuous, my lord. From age 22 appears that agreement was for 3 years. Dated 8/3/2017, my lord. Now you are in 20.
None appears for the petitioner. Learn counsel for the respondent on instruction submitted that the present petition do not survive for consideration in view of non-existence of a contract as on today. Accordingly, petition stands disposed of.